Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Trying to reverse into my vehicle.
Surreal police chase of brazen cash machine thieves steal £90,000. Later, they are located with the help of police helicopter and eventually they are caught by police. 3 men are arrested and charged with conspiracy to steal and conspiracy to cause explosions.
YCS, ARM, unfortunately couldn't get it.
It's going.
1237 at speed, 1237 at speed, towards A59.
It's going.
They were taking it really steady, it went around the corner and then spun round, so possibly the average thing.
We're heading into position 4. To the 12 or 4, I'm very happy with this fire, not taking
What can we try again, sir?
Ahead of you there, possibly he's in a tree.
Towards us right now. It's either that or we send the doggy after you. So come towards us right now. Come out now.
And this is something you don't see every day. This chase, which reaches a top speed of only 3 miles per hour, ends when the motorist collides with a traffic island.
Mount to the curb. We've got another unit showing me. Mate, we're Granby Street, just past Cobb Shop, heading towards Company Road.
Yeah, we're ready to.
Hello, Sierra 2, Alex. So, you don't know when you've seen your reference to one moment.
And then Kilo 4 Foxtrot.
Go ahead.
World's slowest failed stop going on. 2 miles an hour. Continuation towards Company Road.
Yes, yes. Still failing stop. Just approaching Cotmanay Road. So left onto Cotmanay Road. Stand by. I think it's going to crash. Yep, we'll slow his collision into a traffic island. He's trying to reverse into my vehicle.
The very old female.
I suggest you stop now! That's all right. Okay. Use your hands now. Okay. You're under arrest. Okay. Stay there. I've got one male detained. I'm just on the field down the road, mate.
A driver who crashed into two teenage pedestrians and a taxi carrying a pregnant woman during a high-speed police chase has been jailed. The suspect was handed a 4-year prison sentence after admitting 2 counts of causing serious injury by dangerous driving.
4-3, stop, decamp to the offside, driver out and running. Yeah, I think officers got him detained. 2 officers with the driver. We only seen the driver get out.
What's that? Yeah, got it. Got it. That's it. This is it. I am Tango Charlie 2 4.
Two Whiskey Field Road. Thank you, 2-5.
A rather different type of police chase was captured on video after 5 sheep escaped onto a main road. This traffic came to a standstill for more than an hour as cops tried to wrestle with the farm animals.
I feel bad because they've got like prickles all in them. Look, the rest is down there.
Oh, we can pick. Look, you can pick him up.
It's okay.
Oh, no, there's 3 more down there.
Come on, good luck.
They're all heading for freedom. What happened there?
Okay, Sleepy.
Yes, Some of the conversations
That
as well. Do you want to grab the front end and I'll grab the back end?
Oh my god, where are the rest?
Oh, look!
They're all bad. Where are the rest of the sheep, Mum?
Hi, sheepy.
Mum, where are the rest of the sheep? Yeah.
They went that way.
Can you imagine that story at the end of the shift? What's he doing your shift today, darling?
Oh, out of the way, motorbike.
And with this clip we reach the end of another episode on Caught by Police channel. Make sure to write us your opinion about it down in the comment section below. While being there, please do like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, stay safe.